Struggling to find time for the gym? You don't always need hours of training or expensive equipment to get moving. With the right high-intensity exercises, you can complete an effective full-body workout in just 10 minutes, almost anywhere. The key is to push your muscles, work multiple areas at once, and stay consistent. In this video, we'll show you how a quick daily workout can help burn calories, build strength, and support your fitness goals. Effective 10-minute workout. Do opposite arm and leg raises. Hold weights at your sides, curl one arm up, then press it overhead while lifting the opposite leg forward. Return to start, switch sides, and repeat for 20 reps. Rest 30 seconds before the next exercise. Perform lateral arm raises. Start in a partial squat with weights hanging in front of you. Slowly stand up while raising your arms to shoulder level and lifting onto your toes. Return to the starting position and repeat for 25 reps, then rest for 30 seconds. Throw 20 jabs. Stand with feet apart and heels slightly raised while holding weights. Jab across your body with one hand, return to start, then jab with the other hand. Repeat for 20 reps, then rest for 30 seconds. Do bridge and chest fly exercises. Lie on your back with knees bent, feet flat, and weights in your hands. Lift your hips into a bridge while bringing your arms together over your chest. Keep your upper back on the floor, then slowly return to start. Repeat for 25 reps. Fitting in exercise anywhere. Exercise multiple muscles at once. For better efficiency, choose full body moves that work several muscle groups instead of exercises that target only one or two areas. Go for high-intensity exercises. Short workouts are most effective when they use intense bursts of effort, such as high-intensity interval training, to get more done in less time. Keep portable workout equipment with you. A light yoga mat, hand weights, or resistance bands can help you exercise anywhere when you only have a few minutes. If you don't have weights, use a safe, heavy object with a handle. Take the stairs. Choose stairs instead of elevators or escalators to add quick, high-intensity movement to your day. Make healthy lifestyle changes. Exercise alone is not enough, especially if you only work out for a short time each day. Support your fitness with a balanced diet, proper hydration, and healthy habits. Eat more vegetables, lean protein, whole grains, and fresh fruit, while controlling portions and limiting added sugar. Drink enough water before, during, and after exercise. Also, limit alcohol and avoid smoking to protect your heart, lungs, and overall fitness. Don't let travel ruin your routine. Stay consistent by choosing workouts you can do anywhere, even without a gym. Pack a resistance band in your suitcase so you can exercise in hotels or while on the go. Take time to recover after exercise. After a short workout, give your body what it needs by eating enough protein, resting properly, and relaxing afterward. A warm shower can also help you feel refreshed and reduce soreness. And trying an alternate routine. Warm up with 2 minutes of jump rope. Jumping rope raises your heart rate and works your shoulders, chest, arms, and legs. Rest for 30 seconds afterward and mix it with other exercises or do it alone for a quick, intense workout. Do 1 minute of single leg squats on each leg. Balance on one leg, squat down carefully, then return to standing. Switch legs after 1 minute and rest for 30 seconds. This exercise works your legs and core, and you can add weights for more intensity. Combine lunges with bicep curls. Start in a lunge while holding a hand weight, then stand up and curl the weight toward your shoulder. Lower back into the lunge to complete one representative. Do 15 reps on each side, then rest for 30 seconds. Do knee raises with triceps extensions. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and hold a weight near each shoulder. Extend one arm back and downward while raising the opposite knee until your thigh is nearly parallel to the floor. Return to the starting position, switch sides, and repeat for 25 reps. Rest for 30 seconds afterward. Thanks for watching.